Hey guys, Carlos here from Tech. Are you looking for some of the latest budget smartphones but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck because we rounded up the latest budget smartphones released in the Philippines during the first half of 2023, all priced under 5,000 pesos. So let's get started. Starting off with the Tecno Spark Go 2023. It features a 6.56-inch HD Plus IPS display, a MediaTek Helio A22 chipset up to 4GB RAM plus 3GB extended memory and 64GB of expandable storage. At the back protrudes a sizable dual camera module with 13MP main lens and another 2MP depth sensor. The battery is rated at 5000 mAh that charges via USB Type-C at 10 watts. Also, it is IPX2 certified to withstand some water splashes. The Tecno Spark Go 2023 is now down to 3,599 pesos for the 3 plus 64GB combo. The Idol S23 might be poking fun at the latest Galaxy flagship series because of its model name, but it's no joke when it comes to value for money. To begin with, this device doesn't even look cheap, especially with the color-changing finish on the back shell of the mystery white colorway, a novelty which we only see on some higher-end models. Its 6.6-inch display uses an IPS panel and, interestingly, a 90Hz refresh rate. I mean, that's a surprising feature at this price point. Powering this device is a Unisoc T606 octa-core chip combined with 8GB extended RAM and a spacious 128GB internal storage. It boasts a dual camera setup at the rear with a 50MP main camera and a QVGA sensor. There is also a 5000 mAh battery and 10 watts charging via USB Type-C. The Idol S23 sets you back 3,899 pesos. The next few smartphones come from Infinix, particularly the Smart 7, Hot 20i, and Hot 30i. The Infinix Smart 7 has the highest rated battery among the bunch with a 6000 mAh cell coupled with 10-watt charging. This unit sports a 6.6-inch HD Plus display powered by a Unisoc chip with 7GB extended RAM and 64GB of expandable storage. It has a 13MP main camera, VGA depth sensor, and a fingerprint sensor on the back, while up front, there's a 5MP selfie shooter. The Infinix Smart 7 is currently down to 3,799 pesos. Next, we have the Infinix Hot 20i that features a MediaTek Helio G25 chipset, a 6.6-inch HD Plus display, 7GB of extended RAM, and 128GB of expandable storage. There's a triple camera system at the rear with a 13MP main camera. This one also has 5000 mAh of battery. The Infinix Hot 20i in its 4 plus 128GB configuration is currently on sale at 4,299 pesos. Now, you may think that the Hot 30i is an upgraded version of the 20i, but on paper, it's apparently not. In fact, this model is quite similar to the Idol S23 due to its 90Hz display and the same Unisoc T606 chipset. Although it has a faster 18-watt charging rate and its camera is toned down to 13 plus 2MP combo as compared to the 50MP main lens on the Idol S23. The Infinix Hot 30i is discounted right now at 4,599 pesos for the 4 plus 128GB variant. Finally, we have the Nokia C12 boasting a 6.3-inch HD Plus IPS LCD panel, a Unisoc processor under the hood, and configured with 3GB of RAM plus 2GB of virtual memory and 64GB of internal storage. Although there's only a single 8MP camera at the rear, while up front is a 5MP selfie shooter. It does have a 3000 mAh detachable battery and Android 12 out of the box. It also features additional protection against splashes with its IP52 rating. The Nokia C12 is the most pricey in this tier. It retails for 4,590 pesos. And that wraps up this list. Which one do you think stood out from the rest? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future uploads. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Or visit yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Carlos of Yugatech. See you around!